You wouldn't put low-grade fuel in a GTR, so why are we still fueling our bodies like it's 1999? Welcome to the 2050 Health Kitchen, where performance starts at the plate. This isn't just about food, it's about engineering a better version of you. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a pit crew for your health. By 2050, your sensors will analyze your vitals before you even start cooking. If you're dehydrated or low on iron after a long day, the kitchen locks in the exact mineral balance you need. It's personalized nutrition at a molecular level. I've been working on a custom invention, the Trekker Tuner. It's a high-frequency purifier that uses ultrasonic pulses to blast toxins and microplastics off your food in seconds. It's clean, it's fast, and it makes the future accessible to everyone. This is what Tech Trekker is all about. Precision is everything. While you're catching up on the latest tech, these robotic arms are replicating recipes from the world's top chefs with surgical accuracy. No mess, no burnt edges, just pure, high-performance fuel. It's the grace of a ballerina mixed with the speed of a factory line. Tech isn't just about gadgets, it's about freedom. Freedom from chores and freedom to live your best life. Tell me in the comments, what's the one invention you want to see me build next? Let's build the future together. Don't forget to subscribe for more from the world of 2050.